Hey guys, it's me, Steve, and it's been a while since I did some taste test videos, so I'm gonna do one right now. And if you're wondering, "Mm, what's that? What's that right there?" Well, today I'm gonna taste some original Pringles. And if you look at the logo, this logo is kind of different, right? And, and this logo is kind of different than the old logo, the old Pringles logo. But this is a brand new Pringles logo, which is right over there. Now, speaking of Pringles, I did some taste test videos about sour cream and onion Pringles and jalapeno Pringles, which you can check, the videos, these videos out here in my channel right now. But anyways, let's taste test these original Pringles. I can't wait to taste this. There we go. See that there? Okay. Okay, now you can see right here. This kind of looks like the original Pringle, a normal Pringle to be exact. Oh, it smells so good. Well, let's taste it, shall we? Here we go. Really good. They're so crunchy and very salty and very thin, and if I do say so myself. That one's really cool. You know, I was wondering, what can I do with these two Pringles? I know. I can make a duck beak, which everybody always done that, right? Mm-hmm. I know, it's really funny when I do that to you. Ha! These Pringles are so good. And this brand new logo is so cool. I really like the new Pringles logo, which is so cool. That is so good. You know, there's so many other Pringles flavors that you might have here in the United States, like pizza flavor Pringles, honey mustard, and what else? Cheddar sour cream, and cheddar cheese, which I gotta try these cheddar cheese Pringles. Put the lid back in here. These Pringles are so good. So, like I said, guys, what is your favorite flavor of Pringles? Let me know what flavor of Pringles you really like best. And if you like this taste video, you know the drill. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos.